Friends, Running Kimono here. We have some exceptionally cheap Garnier Micellar water, which is basically a makeup remover, or if you just need to freshen up your skin, it is liquid gold. And we have some Maybelline Great Lash for 36 cents as well. And then over at Meijer, some cheap candy, but we'll talk about that at the very end. First store that we're at is Walgreens. So there is a beauty event for the next couple days, and these coupons have been floating around your store. If your store has like a beauty counter that's actually functioning, you'll probably be able to find these very easily. Also, when you're near the beauty counter, ask the rep if they might have some free samples. And because they're all about the Garnier Micellar, I got one of these little samples of the makeup remover. So always ask. So guys, here's the deal. You're either going to be able to track down these coupons if you have a beauty counter, or grab a screenshot and cut this out and ask the cashier to scan this for you. They may or may not do it. So do this at your discretion. If you look at the very top, this coupon expires on the 26th, which is Saturday. So you have today, which is Friday, and then tomorrow if you wish to do this deal. Again, do this at your discretion. If they say no, just say fine, and then you tried something. But we did a deal with Rimmel a couple weeks ago, and a lot of you were successful. So again, at your discretion, the two different barcodes right there. Deal number one. Again, do this by the 26th. We're going to grab two of the Garnier Micellar waters. You can get the one for the waterproof mascara, or this pink one, and then there's also an orange one, which I got as well. So you're going to grab two of them. And then you're going to load the following digitals that include a 6 off a 2 on the left, and on the right is a Walgreens coupon. And yes, it's stacking with the other Walgreens coupon for the beauty event. This one right here that you're going to get a screenshot. And 50-50 shot, your cashier will scan it off your phone, ask very nicely. You'll probably get a good idea if this will go or not. So $11.99. The second one is $5.99. And as you could see, the two Walgreens coupons, $5 coming off for each. And then the digital manufacturer, which is a 6 off a 2, it drops this down to $1.98 for the two, or 99 cents per micellar water. And these are the larger 13-ounce containers. If you wear makeup, you know how wonderful this deal is. I would definitely do it. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, again, ends on Saturday the 26th. We're going to grab two of the Great Lash by Maybelline. They're buy one, get one 50% off. Now, if you remember, a while back, we had this 6 off a 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have it loaded. If you used it, you probably don't have it in your account anymore. And then we're going to get the cashier to scan this once, and it'll apply to both mascaras. You just need to scan it once and it'll apply to both. So just to show you, the first mascara, $8.49, the second one, $4.24. That $3 coming off twice, along with one $6 coupon. So it's like 74 cents for the two mascaras, which is really, really, really fantastic. If you can do these deals and smooth talk your way into it, make it happen. While I was entering the store, somebody must have bought some Halloween candy. There was a 5 off of any candy. They just left it in the parking lot. They must have just dropped it or whatever. There's some $5 on the nose candy this week. I got the cashier to scan the bag, punched in my phone number, scanned that, got a bag of candy for free. So that was my good luck today. And I wish you guys good luck with that makeup. It's either going to go one of two ways, but a lot of us love cheap makeup, so make it happen. The last store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. No sister store, Midwest only. Sorry to those that can't do this deal. This is another deal that you must do by Saturday the 26th. It's to grab 3 of these candy bags, and it's at like a pound of candy with that weird face that has the Crunch Butterfingers and Baby Ruth. And if you look, it's like 16.7 ounces. Big shout out to Rolling Coupon Moms over on Instagram. If you're an Instagrammer, go and follow her. She always has really cool Meijer deals. So with the 20% off, these bags are $7.99 on a buy two, get one for free. You will pay $15.98 out of pocket. Submit for $10.80 back from Shopkick. And then you're also going to get a Catalina for $2, making it $3.18 for the 3, or like $1.06 per bag. And then just to show you guys, I had the exact same Shopkick rebate as her. It's got to be that goofy one with the big eyes on the top for the Butterfinger Assorted. And I got back the 2,700 kicks, which is like $10.80. And then out of the Catalina machine, guess who showed up? $2 off, and I rolled it into another deal right away. But I was really happy that it printed, and that was just absolutely fantastic. So thank you to Rolling Coupon Moms for that deal. And if you love makeup, make that magic at Walgreens happen. Either try and get the cashier to scan it off of your phone, or look for a store with a cosmetic counter that's active. Good luck, guys. Bye.